I got an email from a lady from Commuter about onboarding, so I'm going to be going to Ohio soon.
Really?
Start getting my paperwork started, yeah. I'm so excited. I'm done with these things.
Well, we'll fly today and tomorrow and send my ass over there. I'm ready to get this done.
Yeah, I'll give you your endorsements today.
C-track is locked, avionics are off, autopilot is not on. Plane, full range in, register is fully, brakes are set. Prop clear! Prop is clear, right. Battery on, beacon is on, lock to hold it on, register full pitch, 35 gallons, register is full in, fuel pump is off. Bags ready. Mag started, mixture full edge, pump is still clear.
Check. Falcon 1200, altimeter. Set. Princeton traffic radio check. Line clear. Thank you. Princeton traffic, Cessna F193 knowing Mike taxiing from the parking area for 28 Princeton. Altitude indicator, third coordinator, and HI2 compass. Alrighty. And lean for the ground. Spinning a little rut or something, huh?
Yeah, and that spot, the left main is always in a little divot.
Oh, okay. Or left, or to right.
Yeah, man, once you get your license, don't fly these things anymore.
Yeah.
Just stick to diamond.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
Yeah, you're ready. Once we're done today, I'll give you your endorsements. We should have time. We're not going to go till 12. What time do you have to leave by? Like 11.
The meeting got moved till tomorrow, but
Oh, okay.
we don't need to fly for 2 hours to.
No. I'm saying so we can do the IACRA as well.
Okay, cool.
Unless you want to, you can do it on your own at home, or you can do it here. It doesn't matter because you already did the IACRA once, so you should be used to it.
No, I have time to do it.
Okay.
Good.
Might as well, and then I can sign it while you're here as well.
Cool.
Yeah, and then I'll give you Jay's number. I'll give you Jay and Joe's number. Try Jay first.
Okay.
If he doesn't answer, or he doesn't have time, you can go to Joe. See if he has anything.
Okay. Alright, downwind base and final are clear. At the moment. I don't know why I gravitate towards this outside track.
Alright, where's the wind coming from?
Wind is coming from 230 according to Trent, so.
Alright, so our run up should be, we should be facing.
Facing the wind? Okay. Even though it's gonna keep you from seeing final.
Then we'll just do another turnaround.
Okay, cool.
We don't have to see final while we're doing our run up. We're not going on the runway.
Okay. Okay. Brakes are set, fuel's on both. Trim it. For takeoff, flight controls are clear. Anti lights are operable. Instruments are green. All temperatures coming up. Extras coming in the best power. Brakes are set, coming up to 1800 RPM. Two clicks over. Back to both. One click over. Back to both. Amps are good, volts are good. Oil pressure, oil temperature, and the green oil temp still low but coming up. Back the idle. Ready, coming up. We take off. Gonna do
Do a short field.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna do 10 degrees of flaps. Mixture is best power, aux fuel pump is off, HI is to compass. There's a lap, sparking 1200. Landing light is on, strobes are on. I'm no brakes release. Send us around here. Alright, so for a short field takeoff, I'm trying to use as much runway as possible. I'm going to come all the way back. I1 base and final are clear. Princeton traffic, Cessna 493 Romeo Mike, taking the active 28 at Alpha Princeton. That nose real straight. Alrighty, so I'm going to rotate at 55 and climb at 60. Clear the obstacle. Alrighty. Princeton traffic, Cessna 493 Romeo Mike on the go. 28 left coast traffic, Princeton. Brakes are set. 10 degrees of flaps. Gauges are still on the green. And let it go. There's Speed's coming alive. 55.
At that airspeed.
Thank you. Coming up on 400 AGL, we're going to track the flaps. I'm out at 79.
Good correction.
At Cherry Hill Road, a couple of feet to go. Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike. Left crosswind, 28 Princeton.
Quick down helicopters, 2 to the east, remain straight in for 29, quick down.
Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike. Left downwind, 28 Princeton.
Okay, let's just start with a normal one,
Okay.
especially with the crosswind.
Okay. Yeah, it gets pretty tricky if all of a sudden you lose 20 knots of headwind, huh?
You see that?
I could put you in a real bad situation.
Did you see that?
Quickly.
It was
Yeah.
like 60 to 40 something.
Yeah. I mean, if you're already at 40, you're gonna stall, right?
They're gonna be pretty damn close.
Yeah. Alright, being the number's less than 110, I'm gonna add 10 degrees of flaps. Oh, high, so I'm gonna add 20 degrees of flaps, less than 85. Traffic Cessna 493, Romeo Mike, left base 28 Princeton. Finals clear. Traffic Cessna 493, Romeo Mike is final, 28 Princeton. So with a little stronger wind like today, 20 might be the max you would pull?
I 100% would only keep 20, yes.
Okay.
100%.
This is going to be a sail, right? Just chuck me over.
Oh, yeah.
And just stay a little quicker on the airspeed, right?
Yeah, like 5 or... I usually do 5 knots faster, but you're 75, that's fine. Just, if you're at 75, anticipate that float.
Okay.
Because of the airspeed down the runway. When you flare.
Traffic not available.
Just keep working it. Good correction. Okay, hold the flare up. Right rudder. Hold it, hold it. Hold it. Patient. Right rudder.
I think just smaller inputs, right?
Yeah, not too bad. It wasn't too bad.
I counted on, can't count on that cushion at the end.
No.
I just fell right through it. You know?
Yeah, I mean, that's okay. On winds like this, it doesn't have to be crystal smooth.
Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, remember Mike, clear the active. 28, taxi back to numbers 28, Princeton.
Alright, so let's talk about that landing. Your correction was good coming all the way down the final. We got down to the ground and you were ready to flare. You added your right rudder in, which was perfect. And then the wind kind of kept us up, so you kind of took it out again and we were kind of sideways. And then it brought us down and back up a little bit, and you never got that right rudder enough back in.
Okay.
Okay, so you gotta remember, I mean, you can just go back and forth with it. You can go back and forth. You gotta make sure we're straight for one. And two, when we're ready to flare, the correct procedure for a crosswind landing is to, if we're using our right rudder to keep us straight, we need our left aileron to fight that wind. Because if we don't use our ailerons and we're using our rudders to keep us straight, it's still gonna blow us.
Okay, yeah.
So you gotta get that aileron in. We should land left main, right main, nose.
Okay.
Then when you're on the ground, full aileron deflection into the wind. Because again, it's gonna keep pushing us unless we have those ailerons.
Okay.
Alright, that's all. I mean, you had a very nice fight all the way down though. Fighting the wind, you were right on the center line, which was good. Everything was fine.
See the ball on the front of that helicopter?
Yeah. Isn't that a camera?
It's like $500,000. Just that ball. It's like as much as a helicopter.
No.
I don't know whose that is. That's definitely not theirs. You have to have passed your multi-check ride before you go?
Yep. Yep. So what my plan is, when we get the plane back, I'm just gonna fly a shit ton and just build all my hours up and then do the check ride.
Yeah.
Most likely. Or just do the check ride whenever, because I'm ready to do it.
Right.
I just need to do it whenever. So once the plane gets back, I'm gonna have... Because Jay didn't answer my last call, and he never called me back after I left the message, so I'm gonna have Jeff call him. He always answers Jeff. Likes Jeff. Jesse doesn't like me.
Every check ride after your initial private's a lot less daunting, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like even this one, I'm like, alright, let's...
Yeah, exactly.
For how nervous you are before the first one.
Yeah. At my private, I was like, oh my god.
You feel like you had a job interview? Like,
Yeah.
oh my god. So awkward the first like 5 minutes when he's looking over everything. Alright, trim's coming back to takeoff.
Let's do soft field one this time.
Okay. So soft field, I'm still gonna have 10 degrees of flaps in when I come back full ridge. Final's clear. Alright, I'm gonna have full back pressure and minimize braking. And then I'm going to let the aircraft come off the ground on its own. Push forward, stay in ground effect. Accelerate above EX, right? Which would be 50. And
What speed?
60.
Oh, 6, okay.
Then at 400, I would flaps up and go to best rate.
Yep.
Okay. Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike, taking the active 28 at Alpha, Princeton. Alright, 10 degrees of flaps, mixtures full ridge, gators still in the green. Full back pressure. There's a traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike on the go, 28 left coast traffic, Princeton. Airspeed's coming alive.
Don't do that. Okay. Hey, there's VX.
Okay.
Tough on days like this.
Yeah,
Putting you to work.
I think just that horn spooked me and I was get it down. Alright, coming up on 400 AGL, so retract my flaps.
Only thing I'd say about that is when you're on the roll, have the nose up a little bit more.
Okay.
Because you noticed it wasn't going anywhere, and then you kind of brought the nose up, and it came right off the ground.
Right.
Ooh, look at that correction. Oh my gosh. I can even see it in the shadow down there.
It's crazy that as it creates more lift, that rudder pressure is even,
Yeah.
it's not just torque, it's lift also.
Yep.
Alright, skies clear left. Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike, left crosswind 28 Princeton. Know what I mean? Because as I lifted off the ground, before I was about to lift off the ground, all of a sudden I just started going. you know?
Yeah.
Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike is left downwind 28 Princeton.
Let's do another normal one, see if we can get that correction in with the left main.
Okay.
And then we'll try a engine out.
One thing that Pete ripped me on, he was like don't forget to, airspeed, best field, and we got this aircraft right here.
Yep.
Checklist. After you get your airspeed and best field, get that checklist out, because you're thinking restart, you know?
Is that a Pilatus? King Air.
You know, I was treating it like a practice maneuver without the restart, you know what I mean?
Oh, okay.
So, I'm being the spot, man. We're getting shoved down this downwind, huh? 10 degrees of flaps, below 110.
Make sure still rich fuels on both. Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike is left base 28 Princeton. Finals clear. Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike, final 28 Princeton. Gotta bank that turn sooner.
Traffic not available.
Alright, good. So just be patient with it. Remember, right? Play with those rudders, keep it straight. When it's really ready to go, left aileron, get that dip into the wind. There you go. Hold it just like that. There you go. Almost. Better with the wheels though. Then we have like no airspeed, you can let go of the other.
Okay. Princeton traffic, Cessna 493, Romeo Mike, clear the active 28, taxi back numbers 28 Princeton.
Better. That one was much better. So you're dancing with your rudders, which is good, and then you held it off, you dipped the wing, and you let go of the rudder just a little bit. We still landed a little bit sideways.
Yeah.
But you kind of recovered it, so I'm not too mad about it. We got the left, and then the right was like immediately after, which is fine, which is whatever. And then you held the ailerons into the wind, which is perfect. So much better that time.
Cool.
Okay.
You're saying as you come to a stop, you don't need all that left aileron into the wind?
Yeah, not completely. Once your airspeed decays below like 30, 20, whatever on the airspeed indicators, the wind is not really going to do anything.
Okay.
Let's talk about our turn from base to final. So you said you should have did it a little earlier, right? Your turn?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because I can anticipate that wind that I'm going to get pushed right on center line.
Okay, good.
If I start late, I'm going to get shoved north of it, you know?
Okay. So it kind of pushed us a little past. So what are a couple bad things about that? Why is that bad?
You could overcorrect.
Alrighty.
Stall with flaps in.
Oh, yeah. Very, very dangerous.
That's it, right?
That's pretty much it. Push this past and you say, oh no, I gotta get on my line, you bank even more, and then we become the people from Peterborough.
Absolutely.
You know?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I mean the wind's like what, like completely perpendicular, 90 degrees. So yeah, everything's gotta be a little sooner. Oh, my button, god damn. This Unicom 3 Romeo Mike. Alright, Parth, that's cool.
Should we do another soft?
Let's just do a normal one.
Okay.
Normal crosswind takeoff, yeah.
Okay. Downwind base and final are clear. Alright, flaps are at 0. Mixture is coming full rich. Aux fuel pump is off. HR. To compass. Doors latch going 1200. Landing light is on. Up they're on. Into traffic. Cessna 493 Romeo Mike taking the active 28 at Alpha Princeton. Final's clear. Here's in the green. To traffic Cessna 493 Romeo Mike on the go 28 left close traffic Princeton. Airspeed July 55. Alright, 900 Cherry Hill. Princeton traffic Cessna 493 around Mike at left crosswind 28 Princeton. Traffic Cessna 493 Romeo Mike is left downwind 28 Princeton. Alright, being the numbers less than 110, I'm going to add 10 degrees of flaps. Traffic Cessna 493 on Mike at left base 28 Princeton. traffic, Cessna 493 Romeo Mike is final 28 Princeton. That's 20 degrees of flaps.
Traffic not available.
Very good, best one. Oh, 100% best one. That was really, really good.
Is that nose and brakes or just nose?
Just nose.
Okay. Didn't know if you get that from being heavy on them.
No,
That's
not
coming
really.
from up front, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Trap strobe is to traffic Cessna 493 Romeo Mike, clear the active 28 Princeton.
Want to do a couple more, or it's up to you. We don't have to. Yeah, it's hard to do short field or really engine outs today.
Yeah. Let's just go in and get paperwork done.
Sounds good.
Save some money.
Alrighty. That's good to me.
Princeton traffic Cessna 493 Romeo Mike, taxiing to the parking area, Princeton.
That third one's really, really good. They were like, good with your rudder, and then you let it out. And then you're good with it, and then you let it out. And then when you finally touched down, it was like you added it right back in. I was like, yes. Thank God. It was left, right, forward. Jersey something helicopter.
Oh, there's a company on it, huh?
Jersey turtle? Turtle? Tumble?
Never heard of that. Yeah, it's total blessing to get this crosswind, you know, it's like we feel like we rarely get it here.
I know. Especially so strong too. Sometimes we'll get it like maybe like 8 knots, but 8 knots crosswind is nothing. Then you get something like this, it's like holy shit.
Yeah, and great practice right before.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, you gotta be good with your rudders. So that's very nice. Last spot.
Okay.
Yeah, it's just good practice, because then it helps out everybody else. And if they do it right, it helps out us, but...
You go on the grass a little on this one?
You don't have to. You go straight right here, a little bit more to the left. There you go. Yeah. I don't know if it was you that one day, that was someone. Freaking, an airplane was there, the P model, and a Pilatus decides to come and, like, get in this spot here.
Really?
Yeah, he said he clipped the fence, though.
ELT is silent, avionics are coming off.